Welcome to Florida, day
8.
It is a lovely sunny day today. Here's the view from the window. So the bus to Volcano Bay, which we are doing today, it's 10 o'clock. We're going to catch the bus to Volcano Bay. You catch it just down there to the right. So we're going to do that, then head into Universal and Islands of Adventure tonight. And then we've got a booking at, where have we got a booking at, Polly? NBC Sports Bar and Grill? Yeah. NBC Sports Bar and Grill. So we're going to head there tonight after that. We're at Volcano Bay. We stupidly left the waterproof cover phone thing in the room.
And we're not forking out to pay for an extortionate one.
We're not paying
priced
$40
one.
for it, so we're going to enjoy all the rides, go on everything, and then we'll catch up with you when we're done.
Or at lunchtime.
Or at lunchtime. Yeah, at lunchtime, because we'll grab some food.
Okay.
We'll go enjoy.
Bye.
So we've been on, I don't know what any of the rides are called, but we've been on some of the rides. Just the lazy river with the rubber rings is very nice to relax in the sun. And then they've also got like a
roller coaster one, which we didn't get on.
yeah, so if you come, there's a roller coaster water ride. It was a 185-minute wait.
So head straight there.
What you need to do is go tap your little wristband as soon as you come in, tap it in, and then go do other rides, grab dinner or whatever. Because we want to head into Universal Islands of Adventure and it's about 1:30, we're going to go back to the hotel.
Grab some food.
Yeah, get something easy and then
Basically, none of the like salad-y stuff.
Yeah, because all the food here is like, there's some curry, chicken, some burgers. There is a lot of options and pizza, but we just want something easy, quick and going. Yeah, but it's been good. There's enough to do here, probably for half a day, I'd say.
Yeah.
In this, when it's this busy, it's not that busy, so you can get on everything apart from the drop slide and the roller coaster.
So the next time you'll see us, we'll be scoffing our faces with food, whatever food we decide to get.
So, also, if you bring in bags, towels and whatnot, there's lockers. A small locker is $10, I think, for the day, and a large one is $16. So we just got a small one because we just had a bum bag and obviously forgot the waterproof phone case, which, by the looks of it, people were taking on rides and stuff.
Yeah, I'm really sad we forgot ours, really.
Yeah. But yeah, I think so. If you want to film anything in the water, I think you can bring your waterproof phone.
Oh, and just to explain what these are, they give you like your wait times, but obviously if it says ride now, you just literally scan, you can hop on.
Yeah.
Other than that, you have to wait for your ride.
It also, if you scan into a ride and there's a camera, it captures it on these, and then you go to a little camera point and
you can view photos and then you can buy them.
Yeah. It also gets into your lockers, pay for food, anything like that. It is linked to Universal app.
Pay for your food.
If you link it to the Universal app, yeah.
And there you go.
We're back at Dockside. Gonna grab some food. Polly stepped off the bus and said, "Why does it feel so hot here?" It's very hot.
Maybe because it's open though.
Yeah. So we're gonna go into the Pier 8 market and then I'll show you around that what food options there is, and then we'll go eat in the room. Snacks. Bagels, chicken and sides, pizzas. These are the burger options, which I have the bacon, cheese, cheddar. These are your big croissants filled things and some toast, bagels. Salads. We stick away from the salad. I think they just toast the grilled sandwich. We've got sandwich and chips. And then cakes. Key lime, chocolate brownies, croissant. So we're going to grab something and head up. So this is the bacon cheddar cheeseburger and chips for $13.50, and the kids fingers, chicken fingers and chips for $7. That comes with a free little drink as well, so all that came to £22. We're going to tuck in and head out. We are on the bus on the way in. On the bus on the way into Universal. On route, yeah. The bus is leaving the station.
Where are we going? Which Universal Studios first?
Universal Studios. Yeah. Holly's got the right hat on today. Just checked the wait times and
Strip Ride Rocket, shortest wait.
10 minutes Rip Ride Rocket, but we've just eaten, so we're not sure we can hack it, but we'll find out.
I've also not seen it go round yet.
Maybe it's down, hopefully, for my sake.
Minion Mayhem, it was down because there's been lightning.
Lightning within 5 miles, so you can't go up basically.
So now we're trying to get back to Minion.
Charge!
Agnes, the cute one, inquisitive, adorable, lover of unicorns. Their lives would change forever.
Minions?
Banana, banana, banana.
Banana. So, we're on our way to the Hogwarts Express because it's 4:20. Some dark clouds rolling in behind Holly. Bless you. So we're going to head over to Hogwarts and go to Islands of Adventure. I mean, the rides we want to go on are probably going to be down because of the storm, but
That's true.
we just want to go on Hogwarts Express really. So we might ride it there and ride it back to get both storylines.
So, that's it.
The Mummy is open. Still technical rehearsals. This looks familiar.
Are we home? We're not home.
No.
That was brilliant.
Dementors on the Hogwarts Express? Foul, miserable creatures. Something from the trolley, dear. I'd say you'd earned it.
Any chocolate frogs?
Oh dear. Best get back to your seats now. I'll try and round up these little runaways.
So we had a mad rush to Hagrid's because it suddenly reopened and got on in about 20-30 minutes, and now it's 75 minutes. Wow, it's sunny. So now we're just going to have a wander around the shops here because we haven't really done that now. Because every time we've been here we've rushed to get on Hagrid's.
We've actually got time for once.
Yeah, and probably we've never waited more than half an hour for it, and we've done it 4 times, so we're going to have a look around.
No, this is the entrance. They just have it all.
We're now heading Velocicoaster because we haven't done it in the day.
In a day. In the day.
In the day. In the
Well,
daytime. Yeah, so we're gonna go do that
25
now.
minutes, let's go.
Okay, let's
Minute
25
actually.
minutes and go. Yeah. How good was Velocicoaster?
So good, we're getting a penny press.
Oh yeah, more penny presses. That and Hagrid's are so good.
I think that one. When that's such a grand opening, we want it to say Velocicoaster, don't we?
Yeah, maybe there's a better one. That's it, get that one. You don't like that one?
I'd rather get that one.
You get that one.
But then that just says Jurassic World, we want to
Yeah, I can get that one.
Why that one?
Universal and
No, that's in
Jurassic World.
studios, we're not in the studios.
No, okay.
I think that one.
Get that one.
Which one again? That
Yeah,
one.
that one.
But then if we're getting Velocicoaster, we get that one.
Scan your park ticket at a market station that has a green mark. Remember to carry your ticket with you at all times. You will need your park ticket to re-enter the market after ride. Go ahead, what's up? Cell phones, wallets, bags, and loose change. Guests with backpacks or large
Last ride of the day! So, we've just sat down at the NBC. The menu you scan in here. Got big drinks. And you've ordered?
I've gone for the buffalo mac and cheese with crispy buffalo chicken bites, applewood smoked bacon, smoked cheddar, minus the blue cheese because we don't like blue cheese.
And I've gone for the smokehouse stack.
And yeah, you've gone for
Which is?
this, which is beef burger, smoked brisket, smoked pork, smoked gouda, caramelised onions, barbecue sauce, toasted in a brioche.
And that's either tater tots or fries. I got tater tots.
Yeah.
And we're sat at the window. And there's Universal. Perfect view. Yeah. When the food comes, we'll show it to you.
This is our food. This is a really big bowl. And there's Matt's. I can't see the burger. Bon appetit! Hey guys, so we're back at the hotel now. I think the last time you saw us, we were just getting off Velocicoaster. We went to Zeusland and we basically went on all the rides there, I think. Was it all of them?
Yeah, apart from Big Fish, 1 Fish, 2 Fish, 4, whatever it is.
Yeah, that one. And then we went outside and we just had a walk around Citywalk. And then we went for our food at
NBC Sports Grill.
yeah. And we were sat perfectly in front of the TV to watch baseball.
Yeah. And the Universal sign.
Yeah. And then yeah, you've probably seen clips of our food by now, but they were huge portions.
Yeah.
I thought it was really good, wasn't it, as well?
Yeah, it came to $50.
Yeah, and we got refillable drinks, and they were only
$4.
$4.
Yeah, $4.40. Yeah. So, but thanks for watching.
Yeah, we're gonna end it here now. We're back at the hotel room. We're just gonna chill.
Yeah.
We'll catch you tomorrow when we'll be at Hollywood Studios. And if you're liking the video, like and subscribe.
Yeah, thank
We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.